Uh-oh.
That's it.
All right. Now, again, I have the, today for us, we're doing the evens. All right, we're doing the evens. Now, for the first part, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to grab it and move it down. All right, so here we go. We're going to do the first couple real quick. We're going to do 2 and 4 together. So grab that. All right, find a place to put it.
Grabbing it.
And we're doing 2 and 4.
Sounds good.
All right. All right, now watch, please, real carefully. It's super, super easy. A substitution means that I'm substituting in for one equation the other equation. And what I mean by that is, look right here. Y equals what? X plus 5. That means wherever I see a Y, I can replace it with what?
X plus 5.
Right, I can replace it with X plus 5. Now, I'm trying to just show you because it's really simple. See this Y right here? I can change that Y to what?
X plus 5.
I can change that Y to X plus 5. All right, Cole, do me a favor. Jump up here real quick. All right, so I can see you. All right, Sebastian, you're already getting started late, man. Already.
Doesn't that also mean the X plus 5?
So now I'm replacing this Y with X plus 5. So I now have X plus 5 equals negative 2X minus 4. Now, if you see that, this is just a basic equation. Very simple to solve. All right? I'm going to now add 2X to both sides. I'm going to add 2X, subtract 5. So from there, it looks like I have 3X is equal to negative 9. And so X is equal to what? Negative 3. Now, if you recall from Friday, we're trying to find where the two graphs intersect. So I have the X value. I'm now looking for the what? I'm now looking for the Y value. So I'm going to take negative 3 and I'm going to plug it in for X. So Y is equal to negative 3 plus 5. So Y is equal to what?
2.
Y is equal to 2. Now remember, the answer to a system of equations is an ordered pair. So you have to write the X value first, which is negative 3 comma 2. So if you were to graph these two lines, they would intersect at the point what? Negative 3 comma 2. All right, this is called a substitution because you're substituting in one variable for another. All right, that's why it's called a substitution. All right, now let's look at number 4. Everybody take a look at number 4. Now, wherever you see a what? Wherever you see a Y, I can put what? I can put negative 6X plus 3. So here is my Y. Where I see that Y, I put what? Negative 6X plus 3 equals 6X plus 3. All right. Now remember, I want my variable to be positive. So I would add 6X to both sides, and I would subtract 3. So I would have 0 equals 12X. So X has to equal what? 0. X is 0. Now that I know X is 0, I just replace 0 in 4x. So y is equal to negative 6 times 0 plus 3. So y is equal to 3. So the answer in this case is 0, 3. So that means if I were to graph those two equations, they would intersect at 0, 3. All right? Here we go. Yes, sir. What did you want me to do? Shh. All right, now let's grab 6 and 8. Okay. All right, give yourself a minute. Let's go. See if you can do it. Where we see a y, I'm going to put what? 3x plus 13. Come on. 3x plus 13 equals negative 2x minus 22. Any questions with that? Now what do I need to do? Add 2x, subtract 13. What's 3x plus 2x? 5x. These guys cancel. 5x equals negative 35. So x equals what? X equals negative 7. All right. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to plug negative 7 back in for x. And so y is equal to 3 times negative 7 plus 13. So y equals negative 21 plus 13. Y equals negative 8. So now my answer is what? Negative 7, negative 8. All right. Let's grab number 8 now. All right, let's go. Give you a minute, see if you can do it. Don't forget, Connor, you guys, I'm going to see you 8th period today. Sebastian, 8th period today. Will, if you want, help me. If you want me to help you get your homework done, it'd be nice to come in and just get your homework done, honestly. Make sure it's correct. Okay, so again, wherever I see a y, I can put what? Negative 2x minus 9. Now, I gave you enough time. I gave you enough practice. You should be almost done, and you should be able to say, yes, I know what he's doing. All right? So here we go. Negative 2x minus 9 equals negative 5x minus 21. Add 5x. Add 9. 3x. Negative 12, so x was what? Negative 4. If you got negative 4, you're in really good shape. All right? Now, you plug negative 4 back in for x. So y equals negative 2 times negative 4 minus 9. Y equals 8 minus 9. Y equals what? Negative 1. So my answer is negative 4 comma negative 1. Sebastian, are you there yet?
Yeah.
Connor Hanlon, you good? Hanson,
Yes, sir.
good? Lander, you know what you're doing? All right, let's grab 10. Give me a second. You're right. Do the next one. Okay, again, wherever I see a y, I just put what? 7x minus 24 equals negative 3x plus 16. Adding 3x, adding 24, bless you. 10x is equal to, did anybody get x equals 4?
Yeah.
All right. So if x equals 4, plug it in. Y equals 28 minus 24. So y is also what? Y is also 4. So my answer is an ordered pair, 4 comma 4. All right, feels good. Okay. Now here we go. Let's grab number 12 real quick. All right, yes, number 12 is a nice one. So everybody take a look quickly at number 12. It's finally something a little bit different. All right, so here we go. Number 12. All right, here we go. Now, what does y equal? What does y equal? What does y equal? Y is equal to 6x plus 21. Please pay attention now. It's a little bit different. So you have to find the one where it says y equals or x equals. It doesn't have to be the first equation. It can be the second equation. Now, wherever I see a y, I'm going to put what? So see this y right here. I'm going to replace that y with what? Now, look how simple. Negative x plus 3, open parentheses, 6x plus 21 equals 12. Now, if you're not seeing that, you got to raise your hand right now. What?
How can I get rid of this 3y and just keep it y so into the
Because I'm trying to do the problem correctly. All right, that's what I'm trying to do. So this is already set up as my substitution. Y is equal to 6x plus 21. Do you hear me? So since I know y is equal to 6x plus 21, that means wherever I see a y, I can replace it with what? That is correct.
I thought y was
No, I don't. It doesn't matter. Just listen to what I'm telling you. Remember, the things that you're thinking may not be correct. Listen to what I'm telling you. Y is equal to 6x plus 21. Wherever I see y, I put 6x plus 21. Now you have that equation. Now you can solve it. All right? So let's see what we do. I distribute the 3. When I distribute the 3, I get negative x plus 18x plus. Any issues with that? Now, combine terms. 17x plus 63 equals 12. Subtract 63. Thank you. Subtract 63. 17x is equal to negative what?
51.
Negative 51. X equals?
Negative.
X equals negative 3. Thank you very much. All right, now again, try to watch. I'm putting x into the easiest one right in here. So y equals, negative 18 plus 21. So y equals 3. Negative 3 comma 3. Any issues? All right, so that's 12. Let me grab 14. Everybody try 14. See if you understand what I'm talking about now. All right, everybody try 14. What you doing? All right, here we go. Wherever I see a y, I can put what?
Negative 6x plus 2.
Everybody good on that? So far, so good? Everybody get x equals 0? Right? Now, if x is equal to 0, just plug it in. Right. So y equals 0 plus 2. Y equals 2. So my answer is 0, comma 2. Come on, guys. It's not that hard. All right. What number was that?
14.
All right. Let's see if we can get something harder, hopefully. 16. Here we go. Everybody grab 16. All right. See if you can get it on your own now. Number 16.
I don't remember really the last one. Like I do,
No, I know what you mean.
but like how do you remember like how did you
Because I've been doing it a long time.
I know but that's
And honestly, I keep trying to tell you also that everything here makes sense to me. That's why all math makes sense. When you start memorizing, that's when you start not understanding, which makes it harder. That's why I keep telling you, if you understand it, it's easy. If you don't understand it, it's impossible. And the same thing here. It's to me obvious. Y equals 5x plus 5. Wherever I see a y, I put 5x plus 5. Yes, easy. Here we go. So 7x plus 2, open parentheses, 5x plus 5 equals negative 7. All right. So here we go. 7x plus 10x plus 10 equals negative 7. 17x plus 10 equals negative 7. 17x equals negative 17. So did anybody get x equals negative 1? All right, so now if you let x equal negative 1, plug it in. Y equals negative 5 plus 5, so y equals 0. So the solution, negative 1, comma 0. I'm telling you, it really isn't that hard. It's really not that hard. All right, let's grab 18. Here we go. Again, what does y equal? X plus 4. So wherever you see y, just plugging in x plus 4. Everybody see that? So x is equal to 3. Just put it in the garbage. So we agree x equals 3?
Yes.
Right? If x equals 3, just plug it in. Look how simple that one is. So y equals 3 plus 4. So y is equal to what? 7. So my answer now is 3 comma 7. 3 comma 7. All right, listen, really hurry up, Julian. All right, pull up the worksheet so we can get it, so I can at least give you the basic demonstration for the substitution. All right, hurry up. All right, I'm on number 20, so grab number 20. Okay, Julian, you ready? All right. Ready? All right. This is called substitution. So I want you to grab number 20 and put it on a place where you can do the problem. All right. Now please look up here and see what I'm saying. Do you agree that y is equal to negative 2x plus 8? That means wherever I see a y, which is this guy right here, I can replace it with what? Negative 2x plus 8. You hear me? So I have y, or negative 7x minus 6. I'm replacing y with negative 2x plus 8. Okay, so once again, just look real quick. I just replaced this y right here with negative 2x plus 8. You see that? Now you just distribute combined terms and solve that equation. Right. When I distribute, I get negative 7x plus 12x minus 48 equals negative 8. So now I have 5x minus 48 equals negative 8. 5x equals 40, so x equals 8. Everybody see that? Now, if x equals 8, remember you're just coming up here and you're plugging 8 in for x. So y equals negative 2 times 8 plus 8. Y equals negative 16 plus 8. So y is equal to negative 8. Do I have any questions? All right. So my solution is 8 comma negative 8. All right. Julian, is that okay? All right, let's grab 22 real quick. It's about time for the bell to ring. All right, we can do 22. All right, here we go. Okay, so for 22. Now, okay, listen to me very careful on number 22. Yes, I can see the issue with number 22. The problem is on number 22, it's not set up as a substitution. So when you do a substitution, it always has to be x equals or y equals. So because of that, look real carefully. This is in the wrong spot. So I need to move that negative 2y to the other side. So I want you to say x equals 2y minus 13. Does everybody see that? It's got to be a substitution. In order to set it up as a substitution, you got to make it x equals. Now, wherever you see an x, you now can put what? You can put 2y minus 13. So everybody do that real quick. All right, wherever you see an x, put 2y minus 13, and that should be the answer for you. All right. So here we go. So again, 4, open parentheses, 2y minus 13 plus 2y equals 18. 8y minus 52 plus 2y equals 18. 10y minus 52 equals 18. 10y equals 70, so y has to equal what? Y is 7. All right, so now you just plug 7 in for y. So x equals 14 minus 13, so x equals 1. And now remember, you put it in alphabetical order, so my correct answer is 1, 7. All right. So tonight, guys, your job is to do the odds just to 29. 1 through 29 odds. 1 through 29 odds. All right. Have a good day, guys.